Another market breakdown. This is Leo from Beat the Market, and today I'm gonna be looking at the Euro USD because I think what we have is quite interesting. So what we have here is the weekly chart, and just by looking at the monthly, it's very quick look. We just rejected this close level, and with a signal bar on the monthly. So that sends a signal bar for the bears to short. So maybe we're gonna be always in beer or we're always in short. Who knows? And please know, and we have to say this. This is a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. This is my patterns. This is what I trade every day. I trade price action. I trade bars. I trade just what I see. All right. Train your eyes to trade what you see. So what we have here on the weekly, if we zoom out, so we have one, two, three. Right, what is that? That's a wedge. And this is a channel. Whenever you have a wedge with three touches and we break down from the channel, you would expect the price to roll down. Maybe it doesn't matter, it's not going to go like in a straight line. It can go like sideways down. That's the assumption. Where, how it's going to go, maybe go higher and then come low. I don't know how he's going to do it. All right. So you expect the price to come lower to the beginning of the channel, which is this bar that starts with this. So we're gonna come there at some point. That's the weekly. Okay, let's go to the daily. All right, what we have here is quite interesting. Why? So I have my levels there, and I want you to look at them very closely. So we broke higher from this, right? But then we came back and then we closed lower. And then once this has been broken lower, it becomes a resistance. And also that lines up with this close bar. I close like a buy bar that went up and then lower. I call them last close bars. All right. So that becomes a resistance if we are always in shorts. So if we are always in short, that should be resistance and we will kind of go lower. So in this context, I'm going to be looking at this and looking for shorts around these levels. And I don't know which levels exactly, but I'm going to be playing sit-ups and with my risk and management. So one way to do this is to manage your eyes and see when we're gonna shift from bullish. So if you are a beginner, do not play aggressive entries, please. So wait for the structure to shift from bullish to bearish structure, and then check your shorts. All right. Sometimes it's gonna go to the mid range and then come lower. Sometimes it goes to the trend line for a lower high on higher time frame and then come lower. Okay, so I don't know which one is gonna work, but here's the patterns. I hope this is useful for you, and I will be looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts around these levels, managing my risk. I don't know which one is gonna work, but I have my tools. I'm gonna be playing them, and once I get my swing, that's what I want. But this is a magnet. This is gonna be the first target. Second target is the second leg. So if you measure this leg with this leg, that's where it's gonna take you. Third target is gonna be the low of the channel. So I also that lines up with the mid of the range. So if you check a Fibonacci level, that's the 50% level from all the move. And this is also another level on the yearly. So all of those are targets for me in terms of a beer. All right, that's it, folks. I hope you find this useful and see you with another Max breakdown.